So I haven't done that for a while. Well, I think I'm pregnant. I vomited a little bit. I have been a little bit sick, even around the time I done today's video. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel sick ever since I ate my bloody homemade food. I probably gave myself food poisoning. With beef. I don't know if that's possible. I think it is. I don't know. I feel like shit. Yeah. Anyway. A guy contacted me from the Canberra Grom Squad and he's like, hey, when you come up I own a Sydney shop and I will service your bike. He didn't say for free, but he said he'll have everything ready. He just wants to see the bike. So, we're already making some friends, I guess. That's good. Anyway, bye.